Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're reviewing the HTC NE20 Bluetooth 5.4 earphones. Are these truly worth your money, or just another fake product with a big name slapped on it? Let's find out in the next few minutes. The HTC NE20 claims to be the latest Bluetooth 5.4 earphones, offering ultra-low latency, crystal-clear sound, and long battery life. The marketing suggests advanced noise cancellation and a premium design at a budget price. On paper, it looks like a great deal. But when products look too good for too cheap, we need to dig deeper. First, let's talk about authenticity. HTC is a well-known brand, but there's little to no official mention of the NE20 on HTC's global website. This raises a big question. Are these really from HTC, or just using the name to look genuine? Next, the pricing. Many online sellers list these at extremely low costs, sometimes less than half the price of authentic wireless earphones. That's unusual for a big brand. Customer reviews also seem mixed. Some people report average sound quality and weak build materials, far from what you'd expect from a genuine HTC product. Others even complain about receiving generic, unbranded earphones instead of what was advertised. The packaging and logos often look inconsistent too. This is a common trick used by sellers of fake or cloned products to confuse buyers. So, are the HTC NE20 Bluetooth 5.4 earphones worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, branded, and high-quality audio product, I would say no. The risk of getting a fake or low-quality copy is just too high. Instead, invest in earphones from official stores or verified retailers. That way, you know you're getting what you paid for, with proper warranty and support. Remember, if the deal looks too good to be true, it usually is. Thanks for watching this review on Online Scam Advisor. Have you ever come across suspicious earphone deals like this? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more scam checks and product reviews. Thank you.